Technology moves fast, but innovation moves faster. We've redefined efficiency at the core with industry-leading connection technology. Our streamlined design, powered by intelligent tools, simplifies planning and implementation. Our best-in-class products have the flexibility to scale to any challenge, meaning they're built for today's demands, but ready for tomorrow's advancements. Experience faster connections, maximum reliability, and unstoppable performance. And with support every step of the way, innovation is always available. WAGO Control Cabinet Solutions, built for the future.